Container with most water. Question 11. You're given an integer array, blah blah blah, and everything. You can read through the question if you're trying to solve it. To me, the question is not straightforward, but I think whatever solution I'm providing should solve this. Uh, from the top of my head, I'm looking through this, and we're trying to get the max container or the max like area between these elements in the array. So from the top of my head, it's doing me I should do something like a O of n square looping through each and trying to see which one works. I think yeah, I can do that. There are multiple solutions to this. I think I've attempted this before. I'm going to try the one that is optimal and see if it is going to work with this, because I don't know the edge cases behind these these examples after these examples. So let's get started. So we have array of heights. Let me call it array. Array is an array. Um so I'm going to be using pointers to solve this. And so um, left pointer equals 0, equals right pointer equals array dot length minus 1. So I'm going to do while left pointer equals, this is the techniques we use in our palindrome. Left pointer is less or equals to right pointer. We can do what? Then we can perform our, let me say, left line 1, which is the left line, which is going to be array of left p, then equals line 2, line 2 equals array of right p. Then I'm going to say then I'm going to calculate the distance between these two elements. So if it is 8 and 7, the distance between them is 5 or 7, I guess. I think so, 7. So you're going to calculate the distance between them. Going to be distance between the two stuff is going to be right pointer minus left pointer. Then we're going to calculate I'm going to find the maximum between these two, which is going to be, oh no, I want to find the minimum. So something like this: minimum equals if L line 1 is less than line 2, then what we are looking for is line 1. What we are looking for is line 1, else line 2. So we can also do something like this, which is math dot mean between line 1 and line 2. We can also do something like that. So shit code. So what we want to do now is we want to multiply the minimum and the distance, so which is going to give us this output. So we are looking for the maximum area, so the one that gives us the maximum will be the one that we are going to select. So we can say max container equals, you can say 0 for now, and then we'll now do max container equals the max between how do I do I do the arithmetic inside? Oh, I should do it outside. Oh, I'm getting confused. Let me do it. I say distance, comma. I'm trying to make it a variable, but I can just inline it since I'm only using it once. So don't let me confuse myself. So distance and max container. So whichever one is the max is going to replace our max container. Then what else? So now this is a pointer. These are the pointers that we're using. We need to increment them. So if I say if line 1 is less than line 2, we want to increment the one or decrement the one that is the highest or the smallest. So if we are to compare 1 and 7, pointer between 1 and 7, 7 is greater than 1, so we are going to increment and jump to 8. If we compare 8 and 7, 8 is bigger than 7, so we jump to 3 by decrementing. If we are doing it from the left hand side, we increment. If we are doing it from the right hand side, we decrement. So that is going to be our left pointer. Since L1 is less than L2, our left pointer is going to increment. Else, our right pointer is going to decrement by 1. So at the end of the day, we want to return our max container. Okay. So our max container. Hopefully this works. Fingers crossed. Please work. Please now. Why are you taking time? Is it my code that is taking time? Yay! What is going on? Assignment to const variable. No, now. There should be let, not const. So, hey, great. This one works. So let's do this one. We have this one too. If it's going to work, work. Can I move this? Oh yeah, work. Ah, why is it taking longer time to work? So all our examples are working, and I think we've covered few edge cases here. Let's see if our code is going to pass the overall edge cases. So submitting. One trial, please work, because if not, oh my goodness, it worked. 107 milliseconds, 7.5, blah blah blah. Okay. Like I always say, there are rooms for improvement. So I think I can check that one on my free time. But, so hope you enjoy something. Please, if you have any question, you can drop it in the comments on my YouTube account, Akop Toluwap, where you are watching this video, maybe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.